This video demonstrates how to install the rear rack onto your Aventon Pace e-bike. If you purchase or plan to purchase fenders for your e-bike, we recommend you install them first before installing the rear rack. Start by removing the hex bolts found in the seat stays on both sides of the bike. Place the rear rack into position and align the eyelet holes of the rack to the holes on the seat stays and screw in the hex bolts using a hex key. If you have fenders on your e-bike, be sure to install the rack under the fender stays. And repeat this process for the other side. And that's it. You're ready to start hauling cargo. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support team.